My name is Natasha,
And my name is Kristi.
and we will be teaching poetry and visual media for the Performing Arts Workshop Powerhouse Community Arts Collective. I've been writing and performing for about 12 years. I've performed on stages across the nation and beyond, including the Oracle Arena in Oakland, the Warfield Theater in San Francisco, the Saban Theater in Los Angeles, and Atlantis the Palm in Dubai. I'm a co-founder of the Root Slam and the Write Home Project, and have been teaching poetry at the workshop since 2013. I write to remember and to create spaces for my loves to be fully witnessed. I can't wait to hear your stories and why you create in our workshop.
I've been an artist and teacher for over 6 years and have taught all over the city and abroad. I've been with the Performing Arts Workshop since 2019. As an artist, I work in lots of different mediums. I started out as a painter and have since evolved to work in non-traditional photography, video, film, paper cutting, and ceramics. I often make art about our natural environments and our relationship with them. I'm so excited to meet you and work on some new art projects together.
As part of our Poetry and Visual Media Community Arts Collective, you'll be learning how to create through processes of observation, free writing, erasure, sensory detail, and revision through live streaming Zoom classes.
We'll also work on art projects like collages, multimedia found objects, journaling, paper sculptures, and do some drawing and illustration.
We're so excited for you to join our Community Arts Collective.
We can't wait to meet you!